Hi, for those of you that don't know me, I'm Jeff Johnson. I am the founder and one of the owners of Premier Bee Products located in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. I want to give you a quick update on the outstanding demand that we have seen in 2026. 2025 was an outstanding year for Premier Bee Products. It was by far the best year that we've ever had in the history of the company. When we were putting together our business plans for 2026, pretty aggressive. We thought we'd try to grow the company another 100%. Well, everything's going good in 2026, but it's going really, really good. Kind of the downside of that is we had thought we would increase our production of boxes 100%. We put the plan together, we have increased it 100%, but orders are up over 400% for boxes. That's why you've seen boxes have been sold out on our website to our distributor partners. It's taking longer to get you the boxes. I want to let everybody know what we're trying to do to take care of this issue. We are hiring another complete box line that will run during the night. So we're going to be manufacturing boxes 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Just to try to keep up with the incredible demand that we have seen with boxes. For those of you that have employees, you know you have to find the right employees and you have to get them trained. It's not as easy as flipping a switch. I want to talk to you a little bit about availability. Our availability of frames and foundation is really good. That plan came together. We're making 100% more this year. We're able to meet your needs for frames and foundation. Boxes, what I want to ask you to do is try to plan ahead. Keep ordering them. Let us know what you need, but try to plan ahead as much as you can to give us as much time as we can as we're ramping up production even more. You can reach us by calling our phone number, or you can email us at our email address right up here. I want you to know we appreciate your business. We're doing everything we can to meet the incredible demand, which actually I'm really kind of happy that we're just selling everything we possibly could make. But as a manufacturer, then it falls on me is we got to figure out how to make more stuff so you guys can keep your bees happy. That's what it's all about.